everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and today do I have a special treat for you. Today we're gonna make eggplant parmesan in the air fryer oven. This is how it looks when it comes out, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Okay guys, before we get started on making the eggplant parm, which I have actually already breaded and everything, I'm just gonna share with you how I did it because I have done an eggplant parm video a while back. This is the Power Air Fryer Oven by TriStar Products. They are the same people who make Air Fryer XL and also the Power Pressure XL that we have used in the past. I used both of those. I actually gave the other air fryer to my mom when the folks contacted me and offered to send this to me to try out because my mom and dad are two people and that's the perfect size for them. And this is much bigger. I can make a lot more food in it. It's perfect for families, and this thing comes stacked. I'm telling you, this thing comes packed with extras, and I was really impressed when I opened up the box. Of course, you're gonna get your air fryer oven, and it's gonna have a digital readout, and you're gonna be able to choose, we're gonna go over that in a minute. It comes with this basket, and I'm gonna do some experimenting in upcoming videos, but you can air fry like French fries in this, and then I'm thinking maybe you could even roast your own coffee beans or roast nuts. It has an automatic rotisserie, so it will turn at an even pace while it is cooking, and it comes with a rotisserie rack, and this is just a stand, so like if you do your shish kebabs or your chicken, then when you pull it out, you can just rest it in this stand, but there you go. And it has the prongs. Also, it comes with the prongs to hold your roast or your chicken or whatever you're going to be making in here. It comes with 10 skewers, and they just fit in here. They actually go in pretty easy. You put it in the hole down here in the bottom, and then you kind of just squeeze it a little with gentle pressure, and it will pop right into that little crevice that they've made for it. And it also comes with a lifter, so when you lift out, like if you use this basket, you would use this lifter and you would lift it out like that. The same holds true for the rotisserie. That operates in the same fashion. All of these things are dishwasher safe. These extras, these wire basket, the skewers, all of that good stuff. And it comes with 5 racks that fit inside, and that's a good size rack, and it just fits in the side in these little grooves, and then it has a little groove in the very back. It also comes with 3 cookbooklets. This is just a basic fried food recipes, a dehydrator cookbooklet, as well as a rotisserie cookbooklet. So you can make so many things in this, and I was really kind of excited because now my ideas are going. I'm thinking, you know what, summer's coming. My kitchen gets super hot in the summer. I can set this in my carport, and I can let this air fryer oven go and cook dinner out there, bring it in the house, and not heat up my kitchen. I'm excited about that. I want to make a rotisserie chicken. I want to make a pork roast. I have a lot of things I want to make in here, and I can't wait to share them with you. If you have some ideas or suggestions of what I should make in this air fryer oven, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, because I'm going to put it on the list. This just closes right up. What we'll do is I'm going to go get my eggplant parm, and we're going to load this up, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, everyone. Because I didn't show you on camera how I breaded the eggplant that went into the air fryer, I thought it might be fun just to take some stock footage that I have from a previous video. This one is actually from several years ago, where I made a traditional version of eggplant parmesan in a casserole form. I actually fried the slices. But for all intents and purposes, this is exactly the same way that I would prepare the eggplant for any way of making it, whether it was baked or fried, or in this case, air fried. Here I'm making up my breadcrumb mixture. You can use fresh or dried breadcrumb, and I'm seasoning it up like I always do with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And then you're also going to need some all-purpose flour, and then you're going to need a liquid for your dredging station as well. In the video here, I'm using just plain milk, and for the air fried eggplant, I did add an egg in there because I wanted to make sure that the breadcrumb and the coating got nice and crispy and stuck to the eggplant slices just the way I wanted it to. Then it's as simple as just making sure you dip the eggplant in the all-purpose flour to dry out the surface of the eggplant, dunk it in the liquid mixture, then plunge it into your breadcrumbs that have been prepared. And make sure that you turn it over a couple of times and give them a good press, and make sure that you pay attention to the outside edge of the eggplant as well. You want everything coated really, really well. And this is going to ensure that you have a nice, crispy coated eggplant. And again, just into the flour, into the liquid mixture, then into the breadcrumb. And then once that's happened, I like to place the slices on a parchment-lined baking sheet so that they can just sit out and wait. They're going to hang out and dry out for a little while. This is going to ensure that you have nice, crispy slices of eggplant when you're done. Okay, before I move on, I wanted to show you there is a drip tray in the bottom of this as well. So if you're worried about the bottom getting dirty, no problem, because if you make burgers in here or any kind of something that's going to drip, then it's going to go right into this pan, and you can wash this by hand or put it in the dishwasher. I've used 3 racks because my eggplant is cut a little bit thick, so I have the 2 extras that I've just removed and taken out and loaded it up. There's 12 large pieces of eggplant in there right now. So I'm going to give this a start, and I did want to show you that you can turn the light off or turn the light on. I like leaving the light on. I think it is very nice. So what we're going to do now is find the setting that we want. I'm going to put this on chicken and leave it at 370 and let it start doing its magic. But I'm not going to do it for 40 minutes. Let's see. I'm going to put it down to 10. The other thing I wanted to tell you is you have your choice. You can spray these on both sides with a little cooking oil spray, or you can leave them plain. I have 1 tray in here that has been sprayed and 1 tray that the others have not. So we're going to see how they come out. I think they're going to be great. And then when they're ready to come out, I'm going to come back and I'll show you what they look like. There you have it. There's our eggplant parm. I've got some here that's already been topped off with sauce and cheese, and I've got some here that I baked off because I baked off enough. I made up enough with the sauce and the cheese that we're going to actually have leftovers. I made 12 pieces this way, and then I cooked the remaining off this way. And we can either eat this like, you know, it's great just the way it is, like fried zucchini, you know, you do like that. Or you can actually freeze this after it's cooled, and then you can save it for another time. You can pull it out, you can top it with sauce and cheese, and boom, you're ready to go. This is another great way to freezer bank with, you're just going to do a whole bunch all at once, or if you've got eggplant coming out of the garden, like by the ton, this is an option for what you can do with that. But you don't want to top it with the cheese and then freeze it, because then it gets kind of nasty and gummy. When you freeze it just like this, it comes out perfect, because then you can thaw it out, top it, bake it off in the oven, and it's perfect. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like. It looks just like eggplant parm. I do want to move the cheese for you so you can see what the eggplant actually looks like on the inside. It is fully cooked. It's nice and soft. And then do you want to take a bite?
If I have to.
All right. What do you think?
It's delicious.
You can see it's nice and soft in there. Eggplant's fully cooked. Breading is crispy. You can hear that. I cooked it for a total of 20 minutes in the air fryer oven, and it's just come out beautiful and delicious. And then I topped it, put the cheese on it, and put it on a sheet pan, and I just put it in the oven for about 5 minutes for the cheese to melt while this other batch was cooking. That's it. If you want more information about the Power Air Fryer Oven, I'll leave a link down below. You can go check it out. If you have a family and the other version of the air fryer maybe is a little too small for you and doesn't meet your needs, this one might be better. I'm excited to try out the rotisserie, which will be coming in another video. I'd like to do a roast. I'd like to do a chicken. I'd like to make some shish kebab skewers. We can really assess how well this machine works in total. I think for our family, it's gonna work out really, really well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Want more information, go down below. If you liked it, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to welcome new friends. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and go down below next to the subscription button and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this air fryer oven eggplant parm a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya!